Hey YouTube, it's Sean, and I got this little drill press right here. It is a Skill little import. Hang on, gotta move that. There we go. Little import Chinese jobby. Ouch. Yeah, just a little Skill, little bench top jobby. Alright, oh man, I need to clean up around here. Limited on room, but the problem that this thing came with is, as you can see, plastic pulleys, and these, they seem to be shattering, and well, this one melted just under normal belt pressure, you know. But I did measure the inside bore, and I came up with, looking through my junk here, metal ones from another one, but the bore is too small. That one's off of a bigger machine. It will not work, but I did find these. Problem is that won't fit on there. I did find this one for the other end, and it's cast. It's a little marred, but it's fine, and it will fit on that without doing any modifications. So what we need to do is modify this one to fit the actual motor so that we can run the belt to the head. Okay, that's what we're gonna do, and we're gonna be back, and then we're gonna clean all this junky out of here, and we're gonna see if we can get a belt put on it. And set screws on both ends. Alright, so hang on, we'll be right back. Alright folks, welcome back to the mess here. I got it set up on the table, clamped down. Hopefully that won't move. It's using good clamps, so we'll find out. But I'm not being paid for this at all, but I did order these from Shars, and they're little miniature end mill. I bought these with my own money. Alright, I'm not advertising anything, but for boring a hole or boring out a existing hole, those little suckers are nice. And they use a 1/2 inch shaft on one end, and they go from you know, this is half, 9/16, and 5/8, and I think you can get them in bigger sizes if you need them. But that's what I'm going to use today. And if you want to set, it's 404-6510. Not advertising, just saying that's what I got, okay? I bought them, no endorsements. Next on the agenda, though, is to line up the hole. And this is how I do it with these. And it works pretty snazzy. You take your insert out. It comes with inserts too. But I took that out. You shove your tool all the way up in your collet. Yeah. Yeah, and then you can run your table in. You can figure out where that hole is. And I know there are a dozen ways of doing this, but most people use the coaxial indicator. I don't have one. I don't, and this is what I use, and it's not perfect at all, but it does work. You can just line yourself up the best you can with it outside of the Move some tools here. It's not cutting right now, so yes. The inside. The goal is to get the tool, the bit, inside the bore. And it's a half shell, so you can do it real easily, really. It's not really that bad. Yeah. It's a half circle. That's not bad right there. I gotta come this way just a little bit more. And this way a little more. You want it to go down in that hole smoothly. Well, it's hanging a little because it's pulling it out of its collet, because I haven't tightened the collet yet. You can feel it on the handles of your, if it's dragging. Takes a minute, but it's, yeah, that's spot on, I'm saying. We're going to try it there. We're going to lock our table down. We're going to lock our cutter down. Yeah, we're going to roll with that and see what happens. Yeah, that's not bad. We shall find out. That's looking pretty good. Not scraping no metal at all, so gonna lock the table. Bring the cutter back up. We're gonna put our steel, or excuse me, our carbide back in there. And we're gonna try it. I don't know. I love these because you don't have to take the screw all the way out to get your carbide in. Alright, let's stick that in there. Loosen a little more though. It's a little messing around, but I still say it's better than running a frickin' drill bit through there, because you can. Well, nothing against drill bits, but I want to try this milling machine method. My drill press is broken, that's what we're working on. And this mill should do it. I hope. That's the plan anyway. Suppose I could put a drill bit in the mill, but I do have these, so I'm going to try it. I've used them before on this method, or with this method, and it worked. So, I don't know. We shall see. I gotta get me one of those mill lights back here. I don't have one, so I'd either need to make one or buy one. Alright, well, cross your fingers. Here we go. This is cast iron, so I'm not going to mess with anything as far as oils. that's cutting good. Alright, we're going to give it a roll. At least we found the center pretty good, but the rest of this is, I don't know. Let me turn it up a little more now. Right about there. That is some pretty hard cast. Surprisingly, I don't know, it seems to be anyway. Maybe it's not. It's cotton right in the middle though. Chattering bad though. Oh, sounds like I got another bearing problem on the. It's that lower bearing, I'm sure. I'm alright. Well, I don't really care for that. I don't care for that setup. Yeah, I really don't care for that setup at all. So, let's reset up. I'm going to use something else. I'll be right back, guys. Alright folks, this is what we decided to do, put it on the lathe and use the same 9/16 as we're using on the mill over there, but this is a lot more stable than that is right now because I still have to stabilize my table on the mill. I haven't fixed that yet, but we're still working on the mill, so instead of messing around I decided to put it on the lathe at 8. So we're going to go ahead and bore this out on the lathe and we'll be right back. I have nowhere to put you here where you won't go. Okay, so we'll be back. Hang on. nice. Yeah, that's perfect. Okay. Like we got it. Pull it out of there. Well, first let's shut it off. That'll do her. I think so. Let me pull this mill out, end mill out. Hello. There we go. Let me pull this end mill out and take a peek. Yeah, come on. There we go. Hello. Come on. Focus. There we go. Take these safety glasses off. Come on. There we go. That's what we got, though. That's what we're using. Looks good. I think that's going to work fine. Let's go ahead and peel it out of here. Camera issues, eh? Nice. Bored it out perfectly, guys. All right. Take this out of here. And we'll be back and we'll see if we can fit this on the machine. Hang on. Alright folks, the next step here is to clean all this junky out. And I took the bearing spindle out of there so that we could you know, make sure we got some good Loctite in there. I'm not going to put anything except for the 603 in there, bearing retainer. Yep, so that's what we're going to do. We're going to clean this up and we'll be back. Hang on. Alright folks, we got it cleaned out. Pretty fair. Alright, I don't know if you want to watch me assemble this mess or not. Don't know where to put you. Because I do have a mess here too. So anyway, I'm going to try to put you, well, maybe this lathe will hold you. I don't know. Yeah, I want to put you right there, guys. Alright. We rolling? We are rolling. Okay. So, first step is we're going to put this bearing in there. Hopefully you can see. Yeah, you can. Alright. Well, let's see if we can put some of this here in there. And this retains bearings very well. I've used it and it works. The best part is it comes out real easy. You don't have to beat on it. You just apply just a slight amount of heat and it comes right out. Alright. There we go. Let's see if we can get that put where it needs to be. Right about there. It looks to be good. Alright. Now we are going to maybe find my wrench. There we go. Now we've got to tighten out their set screw. This takes a little bit to assemble. Hang on. Yeah, hang on guys. Kind of wanted to do this though because I kind of need this thing for some heavier work. And I did upgrade the motor from 1/3 horsepower to a half. So it does a good job. It does cut good holes. And I like it because it's cheap. And as you know, some of us are on a budget, and that's just fine with me, because I can take stuff that's janky and make it right. Alright, so we got our pulleys. I did face that and cleaned it up. Yep, with a carb cleaner. Got all the jankies off of it. So now we gotta put our set screw in there, and it's not that wrench. I did go to the hardware store and get a couple of set screws so that we could do this. Alright, so we gotta go over here. Oh, right about here, baby. Let's see if we can get a somewhere near. There it is. Alright. No, what's that janky one? Okay. Now, this set of this set has let me down before, but we're gonna try it. That's alright. Alright. So we're gonna put a little of that in there too. And a little where the set screw goes, because I don't want that flying out of there. Worst case scenario, this thing's gonna work, I think. Let's put it that way. Let's put it that way. We're back basically replacing these pulleys with some older style pulleys from older drill presses. Yeah. I do want to make sure that's all the way down though, so I gotta kind of hit it. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna yeah, that's all the way down. I like it. Yeah, that's fine. Alright, never use your crescent wrench to beat with, right? That's what I've been told by my daddy and my grandpa as I watched them did it. Oh well, that's alright. Anyway, we're going to put this set screw in there now. Yeah. There we go. I did go over to the hardware too and got a new belt for this. Yep, so that we could hopefully not shred it. Alright. Cap on that for a minute. Alright. Alright. Yeah. That works good. Alright, next is our motor pulley. Our motor pulley here. Yeah. Yes, and we need to, going to use a new set screw. And this is the one we bored out, and it came out really nice. So that's what we're going to put in there. Let's see here first. Let's drop it on here. See how, oh wow, that fits great. Nice. Nice. Oh yeah, everything clears fine. I'm liking it, guys. Alright. So I'm going to bring you right back. What we got to do now is go get our belt and start the alignment process. Because I want the belt to be running square with things. So, be right back. We rolling? We rolling. Alright, I'd say the old belt was pretty thrashed, guys. Pretty thrashed. Alright, so let's... I got this one at the hardware store. So... bunch of cats rowling out there. And my dogs are going, Alright, so we gotta loosen up our belt tensioners here. Oh yeah. Cats are going nuts. I think there's another one. Yep, there it is right here. There we go. Yeah. So I want that on the bottom. And I want this on the lowest one it can go on to line up with the bottom. Yeah. That's the plan, anywho. I'd really like to get it all the way down. I don't know. Looking a little tight, but okay, maybe. Don't know. No, that's a little too tight. I think so, anyway. Yeah, I don't like it. I'm gonna bring it up one. I don't like that. Yeah, yeah. That's too much. I don't like it. So I am going to bring it up to the next one. Yeah. Roll it around correctly. This is not how you do it, guys. This has been so heavily modified, though, that it's got to come roll with it a little bit. Alright, let me get down here where I can see what's going on. That looks pretty good. I like it. Alright. Nice. Alright. Looks good. Nice. Alright, so the next thing we need to do, again, set screw. I'm still going to put the old 603 in there. I want to put it on the motor shaft too. Yeah, that way, hopefully, we won't have to revisit the tightening situation, you know? Messing around with pulley issues. And then next time we have to change the belt, it should be straightforward. And we should not see a bunch of issues with the belt no more. I'm hoping. That's the plan, anywho. Yeah, so I'm going to turn our shaft up to our key situation there. Yeah, and we're going to put our key in there. Ouch. Legs are hurting today. All I'm doing, guys, is off camera is just what I'm saying I'm doing. Pretty much just gonna get some 603 on that there. Yep. See if we can put it in that. Wow, that pulley is tight around that cage, huh? Hopefully you guys can see what I'm doing, but I don't know. Yeah, I was just trying to maneuver the key into there. All right. Looking good. Yep, looking good. All right. Got plenty of that in there. Ain't no more of that. So, let me get another wrench. This one's janky. Let me tighten this up. We'll be back. Yeah. And then it's just drying time, and we'll try it out. Give her a little running. Alright, I'll bring you back. Hang on, guys. Alright, folks, it's time to pull the trigger on the switch here and see what happens, you know. Shoot, we did our best we could. I'm praying it works. Let's try it. Sweet! It looks like we got it, guys. Alright. Nice. Thumbs up. Take care, guys. Love y'all. Bye-bye.